In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the clogged nozzle of your Epson EcoTank ET 2720 printer. You can do it if your printer is not printing the black or color ink. On the display panel, click on the home screen and go to the settings. Select maintenance. Go to the head cleaning and press OK. So it's going to start the print head cleaning so that the nozzle get unclogged. Click on the start. It's going to take around 3 minutes for that. Print head cleaning is done. Let's check if our nozzle is working or not. So scroll down, click on the nozzle check and click on the print icon. So it's going to print a page that will confirm if our nozzle is still clogged or not. Let's see the print result. You can see here all the colors are showing up, but there are some missing segments in the black ink. That means our nozzle is not clogged right now, so it is working. So we have just cleaned the print heads and it has started to work. Now in case you want to repeat the print head cleaning and to improve the print quality, you can click yes for the missing segments and then it will ask you to do the print head clean again. You can repeat this process several times to improve the print quality. So I'm just going to cancel this right now. So this way we can clean the clogged nozzle using the inbuilt feature of the printer. Thanks for watching.